CorelDRAW or Photoshop, two giants, completely different jobs. If you're not sure which one your workflow actually needs, this video will clear that up in 60 seconds. Hit subscribe and let's go. Overview. CorelDRAW equals vector. Your artwork scales to any size with zero quality loss. Built for logos, print, and branding. Photoshop equals raster. Works with pixels perfect for photo editing, compositing, and digital art. Scaling. CorelDRAW wins. Vectors are resolution independent. A logo prints perfectly on a business card or a 10-foot banner. Photoshop files are pixel locked, scale up, and quality breaks. Photo editing. Photoshop dominates masking, camera raw, AI fill, frequency separation. CorelDRAW can't touch it here. Layout and typography. CorelDRAW handles multi-page print layouts natively. Photoshop's text engine isn't built for that. Price. Adobe charges $22 a month for Photoshop. CorelDRAW offers a one-time license around $400, big win if you hate subscriptions. Bottom line, they don't compete, they serve different needs. Logos, print, vehicle wraps, apparel, CorelDRAW, photo editing, digital art, UI work, Photoshop. Many studios use both vector work in CorelDRAW, final treatment in Photoshop. Pick based on your project, not the hype. If this helped, drop a like, it means a lot. Subscribe for more honest software breakdowns, and links are in the description. See you in the next one.